So, as I'm getting ready to do the oil change in front suspension of the V-Strom, I noticed in the service manual that you have, the measure of oil that you will put in, but then you have also the measure from the top of the forks in millimeters, how much you need in the forks. So that reminds me that I need to make a fork tool, and it's long time overdue, so let's do it now. And I find this in my local hardware store, and it's like plastified, some kind of pipe, maybe 5 millimeters or 4 millimeters wide, and it's perfect for this use. It was for the curtains, that's some Balkan shit, with that small curtains. Everyone from Balkan will know what I'm talking about, but those out of Balkan, you need to find some metal or plastic pipe like this, and then we will use this cork, cork, yeah, to drill the hole in the middle, and we will have adjustable tool, and when we have, I don't know, 150 millimeters, we'll put it like that, put it on the top of the fork, and here we'll put the pipe and syringe, so we can remove the excess of oil from the fork, and when you cannot draw any more oil from it, that means that you are at the service level for the oil. It's really simple tool, but I didn't make it until now, and it's really long overdue. Let's do it. I'll just try to put more or less in the middle. Perfect. Let's find syringe. Okay. Okay. So this is it. Actually, I'll just put some duct tape here, to prevent this from falling off the pipe, but it's really tight fit, and I want it to be that way. I'll just put the layer of duct tape, just help me, and that's it. So how it works, let me show you. So when you have your fork on the bench, you put it upright, compress all the way usually, and then you put amount of oil that service manual state, and then you put this inside, put it on the distance that your service manual is telling you, and then pull this, and you will remove the excess of oil. As for example, if the oil is on this level, it will go out, and then you will not be able to pull it anymore, and that means you are in service limit. So yeah, I got myself a nice little tool for the garage. Hope this helps someone. See you guys.